This is a battery I ordered yesterday, which arrived this morning. I've tested it. It's not even reading 12.33. The battery should be reading 12.66 to be fully charged. This battery was only produced in December of 2014, and this is what they've sent out. Now that's the battery of my car, which is twice the size of the new battery. That battery's still, that's still at 12.5, but it's done its 4 years life, so I took it off. This one is half the size. It's an 80 amp hour battery. This is a new battery that I ordered yesterday from an online company to replace my battery, which is 4 years at the end of this month, which is that one there. It'll be exactly 4 years at the end of this month. But that is now reading 12.5. So it's starting to lose the power, so this is the time to take it off before we get into problems with it. Yes, the size of that battery that's come off the car, it's the same amperage, same cranking amps, 80 amps and 700 cold cranking amps. As you can see, this is one monster of an engine to work on. The battery box, which is on this corner, they don't allow for this corner here to come past the bodywork. There's very little room to work on this car when you're doing anything. Very little room. Also, I did a test on the car as well, besides taking a meter reading with a battery tester. The testers here. This will test dry cell, everything. Even though it tested at 12.5, I put the headlights on, side lights on, spotlights on, radio on, heater blower, left it on for 3 minutes. Then turn the lights off, turn the engine over, very slow to crank it over, very slow. Just about fired it up, took a reading, turned it as soon as it started, then turned it off, took a reading, it was down to 12.33. Now that's a good way of testing a car battery. Even though this is still under warranty, that just proves that